Audio check.
Good morning. I can hear you.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning, Bobby. Hey, Bobby, if you are saying something, we cannot hear you.
All right. How about this? Yes, I think I saw the. Uh,
Yeah, much better.
okay, great. It's strange that I have to manually select the microphone.
Oh,
Um,
you too. I have been having that problem for at least couple of weeks. I don't know what audio device the apps or the system pick for me. I have
y-
to just do a switch, then I know for sure.
yeah, that's
Yeah, I have that problem.
yeah. So great. I think I didn't. I'm traveling right now, so that's why I didn't have sent out a I think a reminder this week. So probably people will miss the meeting this week, but next week we will have uh, John D'Ambrosa from Future Way, but he's also the IEEE A02.3 DJ's chair, and he will give us a little bit talk about the 400G development. So that would be one of the talk for the recent talk for next week. And I I saw some feedbacks from uh, the outline for the white paper, which is extremely good. That I'm glad people are adding the thoughts and comments about it. So I think some of uh, the one of the key things that they are adding in is probably um, the the structure that Jeff provided a different alternative outline, and I think it makes a lot of sense because the the outline that he provided is more in the general and more in the scaled up network, and I think it's also pretty it fits the OCP original goals really well, and I don't know if people had a chance to view what Jeff adds in, but these are uh, the things that he is able to help put it in here. Um, um, in well, cause I think I would also didn't have time to view it yet, so this is like my uh, first view of what Jeff suggested, and and I think this it just outlined it in a different orientated, but it also have a pretty good and solid way. Um,
One,
so I'm
one,
wondering if
yeah,
yes.
one comment about 3A is
Mm-hmm.
historically OCP was not supposed to talk too much about cost. So, yes, defining cost per bit as a metric is certainly very important, but putting out a goal is dangerous. Maybe I'm just not sure what the OCP current views are on discussing cost.
Got it. And I think if we use we use uh values, the money that we can find on the internet, it's more like a retail pricing, um, should be okay, right? Because those are like a public information, or we can normalize it.
Yeah, normalize it. Yeah, like normalize everything to the cost of a DAC cable or something like that. So that's
Hmm.
just defined as one. I'm just saying I recall there were issues with cost in the past.
Right, right. I think but I think probably the best way is just normalize it. Could be the way to just give people a feeling of different solutions that usually have a uh, different cost uh, for under the application. Um, I'm just wondering, like, for people joining this work group, does anyone willing to pick up some of the topic and start working on it? If you have if you like to contribute part of it, welcome to put your names in the sessions that you think you can working on. Just briefly describe which part, what what angles or what directions you like to uh, would like to working on, and then we can. We will know that someone's already taking part of the sessions or already will contribute maybe part of the uh, even the same sessions, but maybe different kind of angle to attack it. Um, I think in terms of the about the UA link, this month of uh, the the AI forum. I think this AI compute project this month, um, that next Wednesday at the time. Uh, if you can see the pictures that I'm sharing, the OCP Open System for AI monthly meeting. This month on June 11 is presented by the Curtis Brown, which is a UA Link chair. He will address some of the UA Link features and let people ask some questions. So that would be there'll be a chance to further understanding about how UA Link work. Um, I tried to reach out to them, but I guess they're probably pretty busy at the moment, so not able to receive any feedback yet. But I'll keep trying. Um, so
Bobby, I'm sorry,
yes.
I have a question, Adrian. I have a question about the white paper. Do you have a document that lists the goal and objective of this white paper? The
Uh,
target audience or the main message, or because probably you discussed this in. I missed a couple of meetings, so I'm sorry, but
no, 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 definitely not. I think um, that it's actually the things that is probably we had it in. Let me look for it. Um, I think when Ron is leading the the work group, and also I think he he laid it out some of the. the objective for this white paper, one of the key things is kind of becomes a, a, a suggestion, a place for looking for suggestion to suggest the rest of the OCP group about if they're the designer, the what kind of the optical solutions would OCP team from OCP team would suggest to do, right? So becomes a good place to looking for suggestion. I think that is the goal, and also the target audience would be the rest of the OCP work group.
But from our group perspective, it would be focused on interconnect. So is it supposed to be a kind of review of what kind of interconnects and interconnect technologies or paradigm we can offer for scale up, and then the industry or the groups take this, um, let me reframe my question. Is it
Yeah.
supposed to be very focused on interconnect and the feasibility and what we understand as being the requirements for interconnect, or is it even a broader or higher level picture that we're supposed to deliver?
So I think it is a very good questions. So far, from my thinking, or also some of the thinking, because this work group is that's clear, it's defined by the future technology, right? So that's why it's a FTS. It it is defining something, research for something for OCP for 3 to 5 years, the technology for future 3 to 5 years, and then the goal is you once you have the this research provides some of the direction, it will graduate it, and then potentially becomes uh, a, a, a sub team, so can formally define the spec. Then that would be something in the a year or two technology. So um, so I think um, I think it's not just for like educations or some of the things, but also have have helped the team to understanding the potential challenge, the potential solutions for the tech, and and kind of pointing out where if there is a future spec uh, or something, then those are the key metrics that we have to looking into, and that's why I think why uh, Jeff's outline is also make a lot of sense, because he actually his outline actually reach out to those pointed key points.
Okay, so this new outline, this is the one proposed by Jeff, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I think I missed this as well. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
thank you for the explanation, Bobby. Okay.
No problem. Yeah. Right. So I think this is I'm glad that people are able to participate in the discussion. So my hope is once we have the outline, if you're interested in any century, no matter it's an alternative outline or my original outlines, I think we can sort of combining together. That's what the next things I like to thinking of once I have a little bit more time. But you know, anyone has interested to contribute, please put your names or just write a little bit of the short description underneath that about what you want to put it on, and then kind of just sign up the paragraph that you like to work on. Any other topics that people like to bring it up today? So I guess it's probably not. Probably not. Then we can end up early this week. Thank you. And for people who are able to contribute some of the review, if you're already signed up for the reviewer, I'll send another meetings to become a smaller group to discuss more detail. All right, thank you, everyone. We ends the meeting early today.
Thank
Bobby,
you,
you're
Bobby.
gonna share this document by email or just post it on the group?
Yeah, I'll post it on the notes. I'll share it out.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.